What's going on, everyone? My name is B. It's been a while since I've done a video for you guys, and so I just want to announce that I will be doing one. Before I share with you what it is, I want to thank you guys for the last previous video.
Đã bỏ nay tiếng nó cho lời ra đã nên ta lời nhà hồng trà thía do tỏ tàu từ từ lời tuần tờ lo do bảo ôi tu đã bỏ thía tu nói do cũ lo do ý tu đã bỏ thía ta chỉ cũ sợ.
I do apologize that the perks did not go through. I take full responsibility for it. It seems like every project that I try to do, there's always something that comes up, and there's no excuse. It's completely my fault. But then again, I thank you guys so much for the past video. So it's been a while, but then I didn't stop practicing. I'm a believer of, practice make perfect. So I'm always trying to improve myself. And I want to tell you guys that my next project will be a spec commercial. This spec commercial will be based on a tiny touch by Alice, where my cousin Alice is running a store on Etsy. And it's a little promotion for her. The purpose of the video is to build portfolio for myself and friends who are helping me out, and this is also to support Alice as well. So I hope you guys are excited, and I will show you guys soon all the updates that are happening. Thank you so much.